Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix sound problem on your Botim app. The solution is very easy. Open your settings of your phone first, click on apps option, search for Botim and click. Go directly, click on storage, click clear cache now. Directly back, click on force, stop and click OK. You have to come right now to Play Store or App Store and update Botim. Restart your phone and that's all what you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.